Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when the store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier, usually a manufacturer or wholesaler, and has it shipped directly to the customer. The store owner doesn't handle the physical product. Here's how dropshipping works, step by step. Customer places an order. A customer visits your online store and makes a purchase. Store owner forwards the order to supplier. After receiving the order, the store owner forwards the customer's order details to the supplier. The store owner purchases the product at a lower wholesale price than what the customer paid. Supplier ships the product. The supplier packages and ships the product directly to the customer. The store owner doesn't need to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. Profit margin. The store owner earns the difference between the price the customer paid and the wholesale price charged by the supplier. No inventory management. Store owners don't need to buy inventory upfront, rent warehouses, or manage stock. Low overhead costs. Since you don't need physical storage or large capital investment in products, dropshipping has lower upfront costs compared to traditional retail models. And supplier dependent. The store's quality control, shipping speed, and product availability rely entirely on the supplier. Pros of dropshipping. Low startup costs. You don't need much capital to start because you don't buy inventory up front. Flexibility. You can sell a wide range of products without committing to large inventory purchases. Scalability. You don't need to worry about stocking and shipping more products as your business grows. Cons of dropshipping. Lower profit margins. Since there's a middleman, the profit margins are typically lower compared to purchasing in bulk. Supplier issues. If the supplier fails to ship on time or sends poor quality items, the blame often falls on you as the store owner. High competition. Since dropshipping is easy to start, many entrepreneurs enter the market, leading to intense competition and price wars. In essence, dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to run an online store with minimal upfront investment, but it requires careful selection of suppliers and a strategic approach to overcome challenges. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.